Hello everyone, welcome to our next topic of LWF. In this video, we'll see how to make a challan and payment for LWF or labor welfare fund. So our object and focus area, how to generate challan and payments. So we are doing for the Maharashtra government. So we are come into the Maharashtra government portal. Here you have to click on establishment login, enter your username and password. Enter your user and password. After that, you have to simply click on login. And after login, you have to come to the payment tab with current period. You have to select your period according to your state government. After select, you have to click on generate challan. I've already done, but again I've generated first showing. I've generated again the challan. I've generated the challan again. Now you can see the challan. We have generated the challan. Now for the payment, we have to click on pay. Select the payment gateway. Select from if you want to payment from credit card, internet banking, UPI, whatever you have can select. We are doing from internet banking. Select your bank. Proceed for payment. Click on the proceed for payment. Enter your customer ID. After login, you have to click on confirm. Now you can enter your OTP. OTP will go into your mobile number, register mobile number. After enter your OTP, click on submit button. Now you can see your transaction acknowledgement receipt. Means your transaction is done. Now click on print. You can download this script, this receipt. Now click on back. Again, you can by login, you can see your payment. So I hope you have understand how to generate challan and payment for LWF. It is depend on the period and the amount is all thing is depend on the state by state, as this all these topics we have already covered in previous video. So if you have any confusion, you can go watch these videos. After that, you have any doubt or any question, you can simply reach us info@skillanything.com or contact in this number. Thank you so much for watching the video.